Ethiopian cuisine, Injera, typical bread, Doro Wat, ketchup chicken, Tibs, fried beef, Kitfo, rare beef. Ethiopian cuisine is a unique and flavorful blend of spices, herbs, and ingredients that has been shaped by centuries of cultural exchange and culinary traditions. Here are some of the most. Injera. Injera is a sourdough flatbread that is made from teff flour, a type of grain that is native to Ethiopia. The bread is traditionally used as a utensil to scoop up stews and sauces. Doro Wat. Doro Wat is a spicy chicken stew that is made with onions, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices such as paprika, cumin, and cinnamon. The stew is simmered in a tomato-based sauce. Tibs. Tibs is a dish of sautéed beef or lamb that is seasoned with garlic, onions, and a blend of spices such as berbere, a fiery Ethiopian spice blend that includes chili peppers, cumin, and Kitfo. Kitfo is a traditional Ethiopian dish that consists of raw minced beef that is mixed with spices and served with injera bread. The beef is typically seasoned with mitmita, a spicy blend. Here are some additional details about these popular Ethiopian dishes. Injera. Injera is a soft and spongy flatbread that is made by fermenting teff flour, water, and sometimes other grains such as barley or wheat. The batter is left to ferment for up to 3. Doro Wat. Doro Wat is one of the most popular dishes in Ethiopian cuisine and is often served during special occasions such as weddings and holidays. The dish is typically made with chicken. Tibs. Tibs is a popular dish that is typically made with cubed beef or lamb that is sautéed in a mixture of onions, garlic, and spices such as cumin and paprika. The meat is usually served w. Kitfo. Kitfo is a dish that is often served as an appetizer or snack in Ethiopian restaurants. The dish consists of raw minced beef that is seasoned with mitmita spice blend, which is made f. Here are some more interesting facts about Ethiopian cuisine. Coffee. Ethiopia is famous for its coffee, which is said to have originated in the country. Ethiopian coffee is typically served in a traditional coffee ceremony that involves roasting, grain. Teff. Teff is a small grain that is native to Ethiopia and is used to make injera bread. It is also a rich source of protein, fiber, and iron, making it an important staple food in Ethiopian. Berbere spice. Berbere is a fiery spice blend that is used in many Ethiopian dishes, including Doro Wat and Tibs. It is made from a combination of chili peppers, ginger, garlic, and other sp. Kitfo variations. While traditional kitfo is made with raw beef, there are also variations that use cooked beef or lamb. Some versions of kitfo also include a side of injera bread that is mee. Injera variations. While teff flour is the traditional ingredient used to make injera bread, there are also variations that use wheat, barley, or corn flour. Injera can also be flavored with shared dishes. Ethiopian cuisine is traditionally served family style, with several dishes placed on a large platter and shared among the diners. This is a great way to sample a variety of FL. Eat with your hands. In Ethiopian culture, it is common to eat with your hands, using injera bread to scoop up stews and sauces. This adds to the sensory experience of the meal and allows you try vegetarian options. Ethiopian cuisine is known for its wide variety of vegetarian and vegan options, such as lentil stews, vegetable curries, and spicy salads. These dishes are flavorful.